Hello learners, welcome to Innovate Teaching channel. In this class we are going to discuss unit plan apart from planning of teaching process. So this video covers the concepts like what is unit plan, what are the definitions of unit plan, what are the characteristics of unit plan, what is the importance of unit plan, and finally what are the steps involved in unit plan. Initially, let's discuss what is unit plan. The planning of a unit is known as unit plan. In unit planning, the whole syllabus is divided into small workable sections or small subunits or teaching units, and all these leads to the development of skills and insight. You can see the picture. A single unit is divided into subunits. Subunit 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on depending upon the situation. And in this unit plan, the week program, that means the unit, complete unit is a week program. It is again subdivided into hours of work for that week or periods. Okay, each unit is subdivided and suitably fixed for each hour. One unit may contain lessons to be covered in 5 or 6 periods like weekdays. Here in this case, one unit fits 1 week, and in this week for period 1 and 2 is subunit 1, for period 3 subunit 2, for period 4 subunit 3, for period 5 subunit 4. Totally 4 subunits for a unit and 1 week with 5 periods. This is only one example guys, it's not a fixed thing. Next, what are the definitions of unit plan said by great authors? According to Bossing, a unit consists of comprehensive series, comprehensive in the sense understanding series of related and meaningful activities so developed as to achieve pupils, that means students' purpose, and provide a significant educational experiences as well as the results in appropriate behavioral changes. And according to other person named as a Preston, a unit is a large block of related subject matter as it can be overviewed by the learner, students. What are the characteristics of unit plan? It should achieve certain set of objectives and specifications. Unit plan should have similar type of content. It should signify wholeness or unity of learning activities related to some problems. Unit plan should be based on the psychological principle of learning by doing. It should present the subject matter as well as the learning experiences. Unit plan should be complete in itself. Unit plan should be according to the needs, capabilities and interest of the learner. This is the most important point. Unit plan should be flexible so as to allow the average above people to go beyond its limits. It should be related to the physical and social environment of the peoples. Unit plan should anticipate and satisfy the future needs of the peoples. Unit plan should be a part of a sequence that permits growth from year to year. Unit plan should provide for activities like project work, excursions, field trips, hands-on experiences, etc. Unit plan should have ample scope for evaluation. It should be correlated to the life of the pupils, society, as well as other subjects. Unit plans should cater to individual differences. And coming to the topic, most importance of unit plan is unit plan clears the general aims as well as specific aims of teaching. Unit plan helps to develop certain type of skills among the students. Unit plan vitalizes learning and makes the learning process more lifelike. Unit plan saves time. Yes, this is most important point for the importance of unit plan. It develops interest of the students towards learning. Teacher can cater to the needs, aptitudes, attitudes according to the individual difference of students. Teacher prepares the subject matter thoroughly. Discipline, clarity and precision are also observed through this unit plan. Finally, let's move out this video with the steps involved in unit plan. The first step is preparation. This is to motivate children for learning. Since it is a new topic, a correlation can be made of life situation. The second step is previous knowledge testing. The background knowledge of the students is to be definitely tested, guys. The basic step to start should be fixed in this step. And the third step is presentation. The subject matter is presented while the teaching aids, extra activities and exercises should be presented. The fourth step is summarization. Without summarization, all student faces are blank and brains are blank. So the whole unit must and should be summarized under systematized subheadings. And fifth step is drill or recapitulation. The whole unit is revised by putting small questions towards the students. And the final step is evaluation. Without this evaluation, our effort and their listening skills would be waste. So the fulfillments of objectives are to be tested and remedial planning can be planned after the evaluation. So finally 6 steps, with the help of 6 steps we'll finish this unit plan. Okay learners, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. I'm signing off. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.